I know there's never been a man in the oval shape of men. I can't even spell my name, my head's in such a spin. Today I try to eat a steak with a big old tablespoon. You got me chasing rabbits, walking on my hands and howling at the moon. Well, sugar took one look at you and it almost drove me mad. And then I even went and lost what little sins I had. Now I can tell a day from night, I'm crazy as a loon. You got me chasing rabbits, pulling out my hair and howling at the moon. Some friends of mine asked me to go hound on the hunting spree, 'cause there ain't no hound dog in this state that can howl like to me. I eat 3 bones for dinner today and try to free a comb. You got me chasing rabbits, scratching fleas and howling at the moon. I rode my horse to town today, and the guesswork we did best. I pulled him up and hollered, whoa, fill him up with gas. The man picked up the monkey reins, and when he chased my cue, you got me chasing rabbits, spinning teas and howling at the moon. I never thought in this old world a fool could fall so hard, but honey, baby, when I fell, the whole world must have judged. I think I quit my dog and squeeze if you take me for your groom. You got me chasing rabbits, picking out reins and howling at